Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of day it is when this video reaches to you. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday morning. It is, June 29th, and it is 3:45 a.m. I have to leave in 15 minutes for an Amazon Flex block. It's a 3-hour block for $99. That's $33 an hour, as long as it takes me the whole 3 hours. But somebody had asked me in the comments to show them exactly how I load my car. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to take you from start to finish for a full Amazon Flex block. So let's go make that money, honey. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Amazon Flex app. Wait for it to load. All right, I'm going to go to schedule down the bottom right here. Schedule. If I can hit it with my left hand because I'm a righty. And right there, there's my block. Okay, let's start. So it's going to take me 32 minutes. Now, if I want to use a different map other than theirs, like I like to use Waze because it tells me about problems on the road, police. I go right here to this little, I'm gonna pick Waze. There we go, 24 minutes for Waze. And then I just go back over to this one and start travel. So my block doesn't start until 4:45, okay? But I'm gonna get to the warehouse around 4:32. Now, the earliest I can check in is 15 minutes early. So I can check in anywhere from 4:30 to 4:50. That's 5 minutes after your block time. Anything after 5 minutes, they won't let you check in and you lose the block. You lose it, it goes against you, and it lowers your ratings. All right, let's go to the warehouse. Gotta do the identity check, which sometimes happens. Gotta begin. Here's the photo. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to load. But now we're gonna go inside and scan our ID and grab our packages. I will link a video up in the upper right-hand corner that shows you that process because I've already shown you guys that. So I have 10 packages. What I thought was very weird is it didn't make me scan my ID. So first I'm gonna scan all the packages once, and then I'm gonna scan them a second time, just so that way I can put them in order of route. I'm gonna shut my ringer off. 10 packages. I wonder if it's a long drive. This is the barcode that you have to scan right there. Maybe I should do that without showing. And there it is. That's the barcode right there that you have to scan. This one's pretty big. So now that everything's all labeled and numbered, I'm going to put 1 through 11 in the front seat. If I had more packages than the 10, it would be 1 through 20 in the front passenger seat. Then I'd put 21 through 30 in the back passenger seat. 31 through 40 would go right behind me, and 41 and up I put in the trunk. So what I'll do is I'll start with the highest number and put those ones down the bottom, like I'll show you. So I'm looking for 11 because stop 1 starts at 2. So we've got 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 3, what's this one? 8, this one 9, 5. This is 9 or 6. This is 9. Alright. 9, and I'll go put these in the front seat. I'll show you. Last stop will go on the bottom. So I'll put that on the floor probably. Let's see. I need 2 hands. Alright. And stop 11. Stop 10. 9. We've got 8. But normally it would be 20, 19, 18, 17. I'd do like 11 through 20 here, and then 2 through 10 here. 7, 6, and that's 5. So 5's kind of big. I didn't realize I'd have such a small. 7, 6. 5's kind of big. Oh, that's heavy. 5. 5. 4, 3, and 2. And that's it. So now we're going to go and return the cart up to the top and be on our way. We got a 48-minute drive to the first stop. That's why there's such little packages. All right, I thought it was very strange that it didn't make me scan my ID, but it could be because I did the identity check, but I've done the identity check before and they still made me scan my ID. So I don't know if it's because I kind of had to force close the app and then open it back up again. It skipped the process, but hey, I'm not complaining. So our first stop is 48 minutes away, and that's probably why we only have 10 packages, because it's a 3-hour route. That's right, I said route. Someone in my live chat the other day was making fun of how I say this word, so I looked it up on Google and played for you guys how you're supposed to say it.
Route, 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 route.
It's 4:45 now. It took us literally like not even 10-12 minutes to get our route and scan it twice and put it in order. I wish I had more packages so I could show you more, but like I said, basically 1 through 20 goes right here next to me. I'll put 11 through 20 on the floor if I can. If the boxes are too big, then one of them will go in the trunk. And then 2 through 10 goes right here next to me. The back seat behind the passenger will go 21 through 30. And then behind me will go 31 through 40. And then the trunk will be 41 and up. All right. So let's use our Waze so we can see if there's any popo around. And that was like so smooth. Waze says it's a 50-minute drive. Wow. We are going to Holiday, which on the way home I can just go down 19. All right, let's go. I did wash my windshield too, so I'm hoping that that looks much better for you guys. Right, first stop at 5:35. Second stop's 3 minutes away. So the way that I have it figured out, my block was from 4:45 to 7:45. My halfway point will be at 6:15. I've got 10 packages, so I need to have 5 packages delivered by 6:15 to be on track. So that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to be on stop 6 by 6:15. We can do it. It's starting to get busy out here at traffic though, so let's go. Coming up. All right, last stop, here we come. And it's literally like 2 minutes away, which means we are finishing at 6:45, which means we're finishing an hour early. So our 3-hour block for $99 just turned into a 2-hour block for $99, which means just made almost $50 an hour doing Amazon Flex. $49.50 to be exact. And this is why I still do Amazon Flex. But I will only take blocks that are at surge. I do not take base pay blocks. And I would recommend that you don't either. All right, let's go drop off this last package and have $100 made by 6:45 a.m. right, that's it. We are done. Let me pull over here. I just didn't want to pull over in front of the customer's house. All right, so for 2 hours worth of work, we made $99. We drove 59.2 miles. I do still have to drive home, but I will turn the apps on and see if I can't make any money on the way. But yeah, so that's how I load my vehicle. That is my Amazon 3-hour block from start to finish. So I hope you guys got some enjoyment and some help out of this video. If there's anything in particular that you want me to record for you or tell you guys how to do, just put it down in the comments below. If I haven't done it already, I will see if I can do it for you. If I've done it already, I will direct you to the right video. I hope you guys are out there killing it today, making that money, honey. It is still early, so I think I'm gonna have a good day, and I hope you do too. Definitely please like this video if you haven't already, just to show YouTube's algorithms that there's something good going on here, and that way we can share it with more people all around the world. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, anyone you know who does Amazon Flex and you think they might want help. Share my channel, share this video. I would really, really appreciate it. We can grow this community together. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so right now and check out this video right here that YouTube recommends you watch. All right, guys, stay safe as always. Peace out.